What are you doing, Broads?
Nothing. I'm going to work.
You're going to work?
Yeah.
What are you taking to work?
Taking for my toys.
You're taking your toys? What car are you driving?
Minivan.
You're going to drive the minivan?
Yeah.
Where are you going to go?
To Malibu to make money.
To Malibu to make monies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that where you work?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I love you. Have a good day.
Thanks. Open the door, Mama.
Why? Where are you going?
Because I'm going to Malibu. To make money. To make money.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good. Beckett's ruining my little shell thing.
Have to go
Bye,
back.
Brody. Love you. Have a good day.
Bye, Mama. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Beckett. Yes.
Oh, Beckett's going to work too. Look, Beckett's putting his watch and sunglasses on. You gonna go to work too, Beckett? Yes? Oh, okay.
Bye, Beckett. Bye.
Love you guys. Bye-bye.